country in our school premises. So let us start the program with the parade by our teachers.
Contingent, attention! Contingent, stand against! Contingent, attention! Contingent, take one step forward! Contingent, stand at ease! Contingent, attention! Contingent, stand at ease! Contingent, attention!
ফাদার আমার দিকে একটু ঘুরে
Contingent, silence! Contingent, start the national anthem! Contingent, stretch out your hands!
And I am in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Now I would like to call our respected chief guest, Father Francis Nalappan, to deliver speech.
Father Solomon,
বল হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Father Velangani, Vice Principal,
হ্যাঁ তুই
and
আয়
all the
দোকানে আয় দরকার আছে
teachers, the teaching and the non-teaching staff, and
আচ্ছা আমি আধ ঘন্টা বাদে
the
ফোন
children,
করছি হ্যাঁ তোরে
and all the well-wishers.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
First and foremost, I wish, as it was introduced in the beginning, today India celebrates the 74th, finished 73 years of independent life and today we are entering into the 74th year. Independence Day brings immediate for the transfer of sovereignty from the British rule to the independent Indian Constituent Assembly. And today, last 73 years, we are able to function as a country with pride and with a lot more dignity as Indians. And today, as we know, India claims to be the biggest democracy in the world as a nation. As a nation, the biggest crowd of people, 1.3 billion people, elect their government, and that constitutes the political unity of a country. But all of us are also very clear that our political unity has at its base a cultural, linguistic variety, many languages, many cultures, and that is really what unity in diversity as the peak element of the Indian ethos, and this is what we celebrate today. Though we celebrate independence of India, today we live in a world which is called a global family. The globe has become so small that you can in a minute talk to somebody in US, talk to somebody in Australia, talk to somebody in Kenya, in Africa. So all the continents can be covered within a minute. Today what we call the online classes, webinar, these are all connecting people from all over the world in a few seconds. So what I want to tell is, though we celebrate independence, we see ourselves very clearly interdependent. That means India or any country in the world cannot just be independent. We need interdependence. Interdependence immediately creates a condition that unless I have an identity for myself, I cannot be independent. I cannot be interdependent. Only when my identity is clear, my richness, my strength, my skills, my gifts are clear, then I can contribute in the interdependent living of the globe. And that is the message I would like to leave for this school, and especially the teaching staff, that they may develop for this Mary Immaculate School a clear independence, a clear identity, a clear life, clear skills for the students from the teachers and from the management. And that will set the way that we will be interconnected, interdependent with the rest of the schools, rest of the education departments, and the state and the national education policies. So we pray in a very special way today, as the church also celebrates the Assumption of Mother Mary. She is freed from the penuries, the evils of the flesh and the worldly living, and she is assumed into heaven. The same way that we may be also free for life, free for sharing. Free for life, free for sharing. These are the two words I like to leave with you. Free for your own life, your own strength, your own skills, and then free for sharing. That is the freedom of India. Freedom of India means that freedom for myself, for my life, for my skills, for my knowledge. The same way, this freedom involves in the sharing of my life, my joys, my knowledge with the rest of the world, so that we may all create a world of peace, harmony, and true progress. Thank you, one and all.
Inspirational words. Now,
Contingent! Attention! Contingent! Take left turn and disperse.
teacher Sangeeta Das on the stage for their dance performance.
जान से प्यारा है वंदे मातरम, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है वंदे मातरम। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सनी सा वंदे मातरम। उजड़े नहीं अपना चमन, टूटे नहीं अपना वतन, गुमराह ना कर दे कोई, बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई। मंदिर यहाँ, मस्जिद यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ, मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलके रहे हम प्यार से जागो। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
We thank teacher Kauravi and teacher Sangeeta for their beautiful dance performance. Now I would like to call on the stage teacher Suparna for her patriotic song.
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Now I am going to sing the evergreen patriotic song, Bharat Amar, Bharat Borsho. ভারত আমার ভারত বর্ষ, স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লবিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো। ভারত আমার ভারত বর্ষ, স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লবিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো। কিরীটধারিণী তুষার সিংহে সবুজে সাজানো তোমার দেশ, তোমার উপমা তুমি, তোমার উপমা তুমি, তোমার রূপের নাহি তো শেষ। সগুণ গহন তমসা সহসা আসে যদি নেমে আকাশে, তো হাতে হাত রেখে মিলি একসাথে আমরা নিব নতুন বই। ভারত আমার ভারত বর্ষ, স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লবিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো। শক্তি দায়িনী দাও মা শক্তি, গুজাও দীনতা ভীরু আবেশ। শক্তি দায়িনী দাও মা শক্তি, গুজাও দীনতা ভীরু আবেশ। আধার রজনী ভয় কি জননী, আধার রজনী ভয় কি জননী, আমরা বাঁচাবো এ মহাদেশ। রবীন্দ্রনাথ বিবেকানন্দ বীর সুভাষের মহান দেশ, নাহি তো ভাবনা করি না চিন্তা, হৃদয়ে নাহি তো ভয়ের লেশ। ভারত আমার ভারত বর্ষ, স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লবিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো।
Good morning to all of you. Respected Father Francis Nallappan, the chief guest of the day, dear fathers, teachers, and my dear parents and students. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today, we are celebrating the Independence Day of our country. When we talk about the independent life, we always should remember, along with this independent life, the responsibilities. When we are independent so much, we have so much responsibilities. Dear teachers and dear parents, today I like to say few things to all of you. As teachers, you have a lot of responsibilities to bring up the children who are all with you. If you are so responsible, if you are burning with fire in you, then you can create the students, those who are with you, with the same fire, with the same responsibilities. If you don't have that fire and that responsibilities, it is not possible to create the leaders of our country for the future with fire and the responsibilities. We can be a leaders, but to be a leaders with a lot of responsibilities, to fulfill that responsibilities, to burn with the fire, it is very important. To be a leader, to spend the time, while away the time and go, that are like this kind of leaders, it is not needed for our country. Our country is growing and going to be the developed country. To make the developed country, the students of today will be the leaders of tomorrow, and the teachers should work and create that responsibility life in them to be a good leaders. So dear teachers and parents, if you are not a responsible person and you are not working for your school, for your family and for your country, the children of today, the students of today also will learn from you, and they also will be like you. So when we are talking about today's freedom life, and we also should always remember the responsible life. So dear teachers, the parents, the students, be responsible. The whatever responsibilities given to you, do properly. Maximum that you can give, you give. If you are giving your maximum, the rest God will take care of you. Thank you.
Honorable Chief Guest, Father Nallappan, Father Dal, teachers and my dear students. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day 2020. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from British rule. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. Mahatma Gandhi was a great Indian personality who taught India a big lesson of non-violence. He was the one who led India to get freedom from the British government. A peaceful life that we are living today is just because of their sacrifice. Let us all work together to make our country the best country in the world. Now let me share some important features of this day. Independence Day is one of the honorable celebration of the nation. All Indians feel the pride to celebrate this day. Besides different caste, creed and religion, everyone will celebrate this day as honor to the nation. People across India will observe Independence Day as a festival of all. Independence Day signifies a happy day for the country when as we could finally attain freedom from the British. Many children are seen with flying kites on the day, which signifies freedom and happiness. Students dressed like freedom fighters draw flags, give a speech and perform short plays to celebrate the event in schools. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag and gives a speech to embark on the importance of the day. Independence Day also shows the world about the courage and bravery which our country achieved. Our armed forces arranged a parade in the Red Fort, displaying different fighting equipment to the world, displaying India as a superpower on the global platform. Now, as children, it is your duty to make our motherland proud. This can be achieved only if we are honest to our duties and to respect everyone. Only through education we can help our nation to spring in all its glory. This day makes every citizen of India remind how we all Indians should glorify Indians' past, present and future. We should always maintain unity of spirit in our country. Let us salute today people who fought for the independence of our country and dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation. Jai Hind.
Dear fathers, teachers, parents and mashis and all the children, fathers spoke, especially for Nalapan and our principal for Salamoon and our teacher Malika. Whatever they speak, let's remember and try to practice in our life. With this, let's wind up our celebration. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Speak separately and let him get free.
Father, 1 minute, Father, 1 minute.